Looking for some creative DIY garden decor ideas? Today we're diving into 3 delightful projects: a charming pebble path, a whimsical birdhouse, and enchanting fairy lights. Each offers a unique way to add magic to your garden. Stay tuned to learn how to bring these ideas to life in your own garden. Our first DIY garden decor idea is creating a beautiful pebble path. To bring this vision to life, you'll need pebbles, landscaping fabric, and a bit of elbow grease. Start by laying out the fabric to suppress weeds, then arrange your chosen pebbles atop it, creating a design that speaks to your unique style. Regular raking will keep your path looking pristine. Remember, the beauty of this project lies in its simplicity. With this pebble path, your garden will have a charming and rustic appeal. Next up is a delightful DIY birdhouse. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need some wood, nails, a hammer, and paint for a touch of personal flair. Assembling the birdhouse is a breeze. Just nail the wooden pieces together to form a box, add a roof, and don't forget the entrance hole for our feathered friends. Once complete, place your birdhouse in a quiet, sheltered part of your garden. This birdhouse will not only add beauty to your garden, but also invite a variety of birds. Our final DIY garden decor idea is enchanting fairy lights. Begin by choosing your lights. Solar-powered ones are a great eco-friendly option. Next, decide where to hang them. Trees, fences, and pergolas make excellent hosts. Use insulated hooks to avoid damage to your green friends. Safety is key, so ensure the lights are weatherproof and solar panels are securely fastened. The magical glow of these lights will transform your outdoor space into an enchanting haven. With these fairy lights, your garden will sparkle and shine, especially in the evening. Transforming your garden has never been easier. With pebble paths, birdhouses, and fairy lights, your backyard can become a paradise. So why not try it out? Express your creativity, make your garden a masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it and subscribe to our channel for more garden-inspired ideas. Happy gardening!